last day to choose a specialization.
We are choosing marketing, right?
No, I'm going for finance.
I think you should change your decision.
And what are you opting for?
I'm opting for marketing only, bro.
But I think you should go for finance.
Finance,
No,
yes.
bro, I'm good at marketing. I know. I'm
Think
good.
about it.
She's perfect for HR.
No, I don't think so, bro. You should change your specialty.
No, I want to do HR only.
I think there's too much confusion. We should ask Nitin sir.
Yes, we should
yes.
go.
Strict
We
marketing
I think
only.
we
No, yeah, we should go for HR.
Hello?
HR is better. Oh, sir, thank you for
Thank
coming. We were coming to you only.
For what and why are all here?
We are confused about the specialization.
Specialization?
Yeah.
What's wrong with the specialization, Gautami?
Actually, we are confused to go for HR or marketing.
I'm sure Aditya is going to definitely take marketing. Aditya, marketing?
No, sir, but I'm opting for finance.
And what about you, Gautami? Marketing or HR?
HR.
I think the confusion is not there. You already are aware about it. And let me give you something interesting is PRISM brain mapping. Have you ever realized that how your brain is working? Your left part of your brain, your right part of your brain. The front part of your brain, the part behind your. And every part of the brain has certain chemicals. The left front has a chemical called serotonin. The higher the serotonin, the more analytical you are. The part left is a chemical called testosterone. The higher the testosterone, the more a person who is more of demanding, getting the job done. The right part of your brain works into ideas, creativity, speaking. It talks about a chemical called dopamine. And finally, a part of your brain which is most important is estrogen chemical, which is warm, friendly chemical. Every part of your chemical is present, but your specialization gets to understand what part of the brain chemical I am strong in. This will help you to understand who you are. It will also get to an understanding about your skill sets, and definitely your PRISM brain mapping will tell you about your specialization.
Thank you so much, sir, for explaining PRISM concept. We are looking forward for your workshop on PRISM brain mapping.
Sure, looking forward to. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.